If you're wondering how to set up list automation in GetResponse, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take you through the process step by step, and I'll also reveal a couple of tricks to make your automation even more efficient. Make sure to stick around till the end, because I'll share an exclusive free trial offer and some alternatives to GetResponse that could better serve your needs. Let's dive straight into setting up list automation in GetResponse. First thing you'll need to do is log in to your GetResponse account. Once you're in, head over to the Automation tab in the main navigation. If you're new to automation, don't worry, it's easy to get started, and GetResponse makes it pretty intuitive. Next thing, click on Create Workflow to start the automation setup. You'll be asked to choose a trigger, and triggers are critical because they set off the automation. This could be when a subscriber joins your list, opens an email, or clicks a link. Choose the trigger that best suits your campaign's goals. For this example, let's say we'll go with Subscribe to List. This means as soon as someone joins your list, the automation will start. The third thing you'll do is add your first action. You can choose from a variety of actions, such as sending an email, adding a tag, or even moving them to a different list. For most people, sending a welcome email is a good starting point, so let's choose Send Email from the list of options. You can either choose an existing email or create a new one right here. Next, you'll want to configure the timing of this action. You can decide to send the email immediately after they join the list or delay it for a certain amount of time. This flexibility is what makes list automation in GetResponse so powerful. You're able to time your communication perfectly with your subscribers' needs. The fifth thing, and this is important, is adding conditions or filters. These help you send more targeted messages. For example, if someone didn't open the first email, you might want to resend it or send a follow-up. These conditional actions let you tailor your communications based on subscriber behavior, which can improve engagement and conversion rates. Once you've set up your workflow with actions and conditions, the next thing is testing it. Always test your automation before launching it live. Send test emails, see how the triggers and actions are working, and make adjustments where necessary. This is a crucial step that many overlook, and it can save you from making big mistakes later on. The seventh thing is to set up additional automations for different segments of your list. For example, you might want different automations for new subscribers or for people who've been on your list for a while. This helps you keep your communication fresh and relevant to each part of your audience. Now, once your list automation in GetResponse is live, you'll want to monitor its performance. Check open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics regularly. GetResponse provides detailed reports that let you see what's working and what needs improvement. So, if you've set up everything correctly, your automation should be running smoothly. However, GetResponse isn't always the best tool for everyone, especially if you need more advanced segmentation or better automation flexibility. That's why I also want to mention some alternatives that could be more suitable for your needs. These alternatives offer great automation features, often with better ease of use or more integrations for specialized workflows. I've linked these alternatives in the description below, and through our link, you'll get the best free trials and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. And as promised, we're also offering an exclusive, extended free trial to GetResponse for those who still want to give it a shot. So if you're after a reliable solution with powerful automation tools, this might just be the right pick for you. Don't forget to check the links for more details on the alternatives. You can explore these other options and decide what's the best fit for your list automation needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.